Hey there, little friends. Today we're meeting some super cool, yummy, juicy, and fruity friends. Welcome to the Fruit Friends show. They've got lots of secrets to share about why they're the best snacks ever. They're going to tell us all about them.
Hello, darlings. I'm Strawberry, the queen of sweetness. My bright red color means I'm full of vitamins and antioxidants. I'm also great for your heart, absolutely, darling. I'm nature's candy sweet, but with none of the bad stuff. I'll make your skin glow and keep your heart smiling.
I'm Orange, and I'm so juicy. I've got a ton of vitamin C enough to help you fight off the sniffles and keep you bouncing all day. I'm like a little shield for your body, keeping you safe from colds. Plus, I'm super fun to peel like a surprise party in every bite.
Hi there, I'm Mr. Apple. I'm crunchy, juicy, and packed with vitamins. I come in red, green, and yellow, just like a traffic light. But you can't stop me from being delicious. Well, I'm full of fiber to keep your tummy happy, and I have vitamin C to make sure you stay strong. An apple a day keeps the doctor away so you can spend more time playing.
Hey there, I'm Pineapple, spiky on the outside but sweet on the inside. I'm loaded with vitamin C and I help you digest food better. Plus, I'm like a taste of vacation in every bite.
Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Banana. I've got potassium for power and I'm the perfect snack when you need energy for all that running around. Unlike nature's energy bar. I'll keep you strong and help your muscles grow big and healthy. Plus, I'm so sweet you won't even miss candy.
Hello friends, did you know who I am? I'm Mango, the king of fruits. I'm packed with vitamins, fiber, and sweetness. I'm so delicious, you won't believe I'm also keeping your body strong and healthy.
I may be small, but I'm packed with goodness. Call me Blueberry, the brain booster. I've got antioxidants that help your memory, so you can ace that test or remember your favorite games.
Hey, I'm Watermelon. I'm 90% water, which means I'm great at keeping you cool and hydrated on hot days. And my Juicy, red inside is full of vitamins to help you grow strong.
Hello, I'm Kiwi, the fruit with a fuzzy coat. Don't let my fuzzy skin fool you. I'm super sweet and full of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. I'm like a tiny powerhouse for your immune system.
Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to grab some of these yummy fruits the next time you want a snack. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you next time.